guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a simple natural makeup tutorial or makeup look. So let's jump on it. This is not gonna take much time. It should take 10 minutes or less if you're doing this, or if that's the kind of look that you go for on a daily basis. So let's jump on it, and first we're gonna start off with our eyes. As you know, that's where we always start, with our eyes. And I've kind of done my eyebrows already as naturally as I possibly could. So I'm gonna take a little bit like you can get yourself a eyelid primer, eyeshadow primer basically, and do this part because we don't have any colors that we need to, you know, stand out. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit of eyeshadow primer, just dabbing it on my eyelids first before I spread it all over the place, and then I'm just gonna spread it on the rest of the eyelid, just like that. Yeah, I think this is the part where I take my fingers and I basically just blend it out is the best, and just blend it out. Yeah, just blend it out just like that. And then we're gonna go with a very natural eyeshadow, and basically these are your neutrals, your warm colors. Again, I'm grabbing the NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette. Color that we're gonna be going in with, something very natural. Gonna be going in with this eyeshadow right here. It's a nice soft brown. Now you're gonna pack it all over the eyelid. And then on the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with a shimmery shade, like a champagne, using my little pinky. Oh, it's too much. And I'm just gonna dab it on the inner corner, just a bit, like that, and then blend it out. Next, you can grab your black eyeliner pen or whatever eyeliner that you might have close to you, and just line the top part of your eyelid. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of a wing, a little short wing, because I live for it. And then next I'm going in with my favorite all-time mascara, and this is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect mascara from Essence. Once again, this is how it looks. I'm gonna apply about 3 layers of mascara, or until I get to the desired look, making sure that I coat the roots of the lashes all the way to the end. And then on the bottom lashes, I'm gonna coat just 2 coats of mascara. Put some water onto my sponge, some foundation, and now I'm basically done blending out that foundation. Next, we're gonna go in with a bronzer, applying it right beneath the apple of my cheeks, just like that. just like that. I take a little bit and just put it on the chin area and the jaw area as well. And just a tad bit on that forehead, right on the top of my forehead. A little bit on the sides of my nose. Then next I'm going to take a very light blush. Taking a very light blush and just placing it right on these apples, right on top of that bronzer, overlapping it. Then take a little bit of loose powder, a tad bit, and I'm just gonna apply it and spread it all over the rest of my face, all over the face. I'm going in with some lipstick, and this is the Essence Matte Liquid Lipstick in what name is it? In Cinnamon Spice. Take a little bit of gloss and apply it right on top of that. Oh. Can go ahead and set your makeup and you're good to go. So that's about it for this a simple daily natural looking makeup. And if you enjoyed this quick tutorial, please don't forget to follow or subscribe for more content, and until next time, bye bye.